Hey guys, Update Guy here, and I'm just going to be walking you through how to use the games on my boxes that you purchased from me, or the games I added if you already have a box. So today I'm going to be using the keyboard remote, which is $30 with purchase of my box. Really good remote, wireless and rechargeable. As well, I sell these gaming controllers for $35, and they just plug in with a little USB. And the box I'm on today is my second top model, which is the T95Z Plus. Really great box. And the three game systems I'll be showing you today is the N64, the SNES, and the NES. So if we go to settings on the T95Z Plus, it's really nice because it does have a Bluetooth option. You can add a Bluetooth controller right there, which will make it easier where you can use your own gaming controller if you happen to have one already. So the first one we'll go into is Retro 8, which is the NES emulator. So this has all the NES games. So this emulator is a little annoying where to search we have to do it a little differently. So I do suggest you buy the keyboard remote. It does make it quite a bit easier. So to search, you have to take your keyboard remote and turn it into mouse mode. So that's this little button right here. We click on that and you'll see a little mouse on the screen now. And then we just hold down the OK button while over top of the games kind of, and we just scroll up like that. And we can just flick the controller up and that will scroll through the game. And then you can simply just click on a game in mouse mode and the game loads right up. So now if you press the back button, this will be all good to go now. You can just use your controller to play as you like. If you press the back button on your controller, you have this menu pop up. This lets you do some real cool stuff. So we have cheats here. Not every game has cheats, but most of them do. And you'll see the list of cheats available. If we press it again, there's save state, and that saves the moment that you're in at this point in the game. So it's not like saving in-game, but if we save state right now and then load state, it'll bring us back to that exact moment. Most these ROMs will save in-game as well, so that's a good part. And then if we press back button, we can just close as well. If we go to the top right-hand corner, there's these three dots, and this will bring us to settings right there. And to this menu here, we can go to controller 1, and we can map out our controller if we want. So if we go to, let's say, the A button, we click OK. Now just press the corresponding button with your controller you want to be used with that. So let's say I want it to be the X button on my controller. Now the X button on my controller is now A. And you can do that for everything. If you find you mess something up, just go to reset controls and reset, and that'll bring everything back to normal. So no problem at all. Now we'll back out and we'll go to the Super Retro app. And you can just click back there, and this will bring you back to this screen. And same for this one, you got to click and drag and pull with your mouse mode. A little annoying, but you get used to it, and it's not as big of a deal. There's also the search feature in the top right, which you can search in, let's say, Super Mario, and you'll see all the Super Mario games right there ready to play. Now let's back out of this one, and we can go to the last one, which is the N64. So we can just open it up right here, and you'll see I already have a couple games on the system that I've been testing out. So once you've added a game once, it will be right here forever. They will have screen art. It's just because I wasn't connected to the internet while I did that. So if we go over to refresh ROMs in the right hand corner, you'll get a screen like this that pops up. So I'll go back. You might actually have more like this screen. So we want to go to the download folder, and then we want to go to the N64 folder, and then one more time. And you'll see all the games right here. You can just scroll through. You can only add one game at a time. So let's say I want to add Mario Party 3. We just scroll down and we go to the OK button in the bottom right corner, and we click on that. It's a little hard to see, but that is an OK button there. And we'll click OK. And you'll see that game just got added to my front, and now the cover art's on. And then you just click on it, start the game, and you can also resume it from where you were. And it's just extracting. And here you go, you're all set up playing old school Super Mario. That's about it. It works pretty great on this system. And then you can just click the back button, and there's all sorts of stuff here again. There's cheats as well. So let's go exit. And then if we go to the top left, we can go to this menu, which there's settings, which there's all sorts of stuff we can play around with. Same thing with our controller. We can click on controller and we can set the gamepad as well. But all the gamepads should be preset to what you need. And yeah, that's about it. Hopefully that was a helpful video on how to use the games on my system. And if you have any further questions, let me know. Thanks. See you in the next one.